I'll see misdemeanor site.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, and a quack quack here and a quack quack there, and a oink oink here and a oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, and a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, and a quack quack here and a quack quack there, and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baba here and a baba there, and a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, and a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, and a quack quack here and a quack quack there, and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a turkey, E-I-E-I-O. With a gobble gobble here and a gobble gobble there, and a baba here and a baba there, and a moo moo here and a moo moo there, and a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there, and a quack quack here and a quack quack there, and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O.
Calling! Draw its face.
We'll draw her face first.
Face first. Okay, let's do it. There's a lot of guts in here.
Ew. Alright, let's get it all out.
Slimy guts. All right, there it is. Let's go get a candle. I think it'll fit. Everything.
Well, we gone now.
Let's go get a new pumpkin.
Or extreme toys.
Or click on our faces to subscribe. Hi guys, we're in Las Vegas, right behind me. And we're gonna pet some dolphins. I don't know if there's a lot.
What is that?
It's insane. We have this giant window, so if you close one eye and like get them really close. So we're now at the sharks exhibit. Why do they have islands when they just have fish? Bowling. What is that? Leave in the comment section below if you know what that is. Reef sharks? Wait, those are bull sharks. You know bull sharks?
It looked like he was about to eat you, but.
I know.
Down there. There's all sorts of shark stuff over here.
Oh, there's a dark hole. Maybe a giant groundhog lives in there.
That's
Crazy awesome.
crazy cool.
No.
You want to do it?
No.
No?
Do you?
No, thanks.
Like up there where we go to California and see all the big dinosaurs, the big dinosaurs, and meet some cool fish. And as usual, leave a like if you like sharks and these kinds.
Make sure you clean up your toys. The shark can help you.
Okay. Dinosaur. Here's right. Over right there. Another dinosaur. Right after this part. Shorts, grasshoppers. Whatever. We'll do this again.
Let's make it a little more interesting. No.
We'll see about that.
You ready? Ooh, I think that's mine. You'll actually never play with this again. Good day. I don't want to be awkward.
Yeah. Oh, I'll get him back for sure. This is mine. I'm getting that rubber.
Claustrophobic in here.
What does that mean? Oh, my light.
Oh, there it goes. Do you guys ever wonder what happens? Foam down for me to slide into.
Hey, I'm doing it. Okay. Hi.
Okay. It's moving up.
Picture of the week comes from
Thomas Owen. This is a sick picture.
Yeah.
You can get them on our Facebook page, Instagram page, or the link below.
Yeah.